Today I'm going to share with you my quick and easy no-bake Appalachian cookies. Here are the ingredients that you will need to make this simple yet delicious recipe. It is easy, no fail, and comes out perfect every time. So what you need to do is combine your butter, sugar, evaporated milk, and cocoa powder into a pot over medium-high heat. You'll want to stir it continuously and allow it to reach a rolling boil. Once it reaches a rolling boil, you want to go ahead and add in the peanut butter. I do not add a lot of peanut butter because I do not like the overwhelming peanut butter flavor, but you can add a little more if you want. Then add in your oats and continue stirring. You want to stir it pretty quickly at this stage to make sure that it does not set up on you and everything is well incorporated. Now at this point, you want it to be between a little bit runny and a little bit stiff. You can tell the texture by holding your spoon up, and when it does not drop off loosely, your mixture is ready to spoon out onto a lined baking sheet for your cookies. Now you can make these as large or as small as you would like. If you want bite size, you can make them smaller, or if you're taking these to a party, definitely make them a little bit bigger. I made mine one pan large and one pan a little bit smaller, just so there was some for the adults and the children. And there you have that perfect bite. I will have the recipe in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.